What is Breathe Essential Oil Blend and how do you use it? In this video, I will cover those questions. So let's get to it. doTERRA Breathe is a remarkable blend of essential oils, including laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, ravensari, and ravensari. doTERRA Breathe maintains feelings of clear airways and easy breathing while minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. doTERRA Breathe can be applied topically to the chest, back, and the bottoms of your feet, or diffusing it at nighttime to calm senses and promote a restful sleep. This blend is used aromatically and topically. Breathe comes in a 15 milliliter bottle or in a roller bottle for easy application. This is great to use on the go. It's pre-diluted, which is nice for young kids and people who have sensitive skin. You can apply Breathe on your sinuses, and if you do apply it to your sinuses and accidentally get it in your eyes, make sure to grab a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil and wipe that area, or you can use any cooking oil, butter, milk, anything that has fat in it. You do not want to use water because it will just make it sting even more. When using the roller for your children, I would apply it on their spine, on their back, on the bottoms of their feet, and then cover their feet with socks so that they're not touching their feet and getting it into their eyes. If you have a CPAP machine, there is a filter you can buy that allows you to use doTERRA Breathe with your CPAP machine. I will make sure to include the link in the description below. Another way to use Breathe is before, during, and after exercise. I like to put a drop of a Breathe right in the palm of my hand, rub that oil in, and then create a funnel right over that area that you applied the essential oil and breathe in. It just really opens up your airways and just fills your body with oxygen. It's awesome. So try that. If you like to exercise, try that in your next exercise routine. Before, during, and after exercise. It's good.
End of flashback.
doTERRA has other Breathe products that are also helpful in opening your airways. We have the Breathe Stick, which has the consistency similar to Vicks, and Breathe Drops. That is well known for their abilities to cool the nasal airways and provide respiratory support. Melissa and thyme were also added for their calming and soothing properties. If you got value from this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to learn more about living a more natural lifestyle using essential oils. And make sure to hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Check out my next video about essential oils for respiratory support. God bless!